No, they need to stay home. The freaking thing was on. Why are these pieces so fatty? They're not usually that fatty. It's so good though. Every time I buy them, I'm like, dang, I should have bought more. I only got 8 pieces. I don't want to keep eating in front of y'all. It's kind of embarrassing to keep eating. Short ribs. It's very hot. Well, I'm glad that I'm able to cook outside. That's why I got the grill, so that I can cook outside, because I don't want to cook this type of stuff like in my apartment. I used to, but... And I'm like breaking out right here. I'm gonna go take a shower after this. Mmm. Like beef fajita? Mmm. My skin's fine, don't worry. Mm. This is embarrassing. Mm-hmm. It's because I'm gonna start my period. Are you Mexican? Wait, do you want to come close or stay far? This piece is so fatty. Okay, this one's like far away from you. Okay, just a few more minutes and it's done. Thank goodness. They're not burned, I promise. It is dinner time, King. After this, I'm going to take a shower and I'm gonna come back after I look more presentable. Aldebarba, thank you. Mmm. I didn't know. Can we knock these numbers down? You guys want to do everything but knock my freaking numbers down. You want to do everything but chip at the score. I said chip at it. I'm not talking to you, Kane. I'm talking to all 500 of these other people. I said chip at it, not do the whole thing. Okay. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna go out there and grab it by myself, okay? I don't think you need to come with me. I'm so glad I'm not cooking this inside. That's really like my favorite part. Other than eating, of course. I know you would. Dan's gonna have to wait until I bring this meat in. Because I already know all these people are gonna disappear. Athene. What is it? Athene Hamza or Athene Assad? No? That? Give me lion and Athene Assad min fadlak. Oh wait, I left the bowl. Okay, 10 out of 10. Oh my god, damn. Dan keeps requesting.
There we are. Taylor, what are you doing?
Hold on, I was cooking.
Oh, you were cooking. I'm sorry. I'll fucking leave you. Yeah, it looks mid. Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Looks mid.
Okay, hold on, let me wash my hands. You can do the battle.
You want to get smoked? I need to see you so I can like literally talk shit to you. Like,
No, I'm gonna just wash my hands really quick.
yeah, wash your fucking hands. Those dirty ass hands. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And then after this, we're gonna do one and done, if that's okay, because I'm gonna log off, I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm gonna come back.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm 45K away from dailies. And like I need that. I'm sweating. It's freaking hot outside. I look a freaking mess. I'm about